Don't feel bad if people remember you only when they need you. When they don't need you, they didn't call you even to asking you how are you. Why they don't call those people who are important to them? Because sometimes, guys, you can be useless to them because they don't want help. But when they want help, they can come to you. So sometimes, guys, some of the people, we don't know what's going on. They need your help, but you are not important in their lives. It's happening, guys, because other people, they can't greet you, but when you saw that they are greeting you or they are calling you, even family members, they can spend even 1 year or 2 years that person without calling you. But when you saw those people are calling you, they want something or they want money, they need you to help them now. That's why they remember that you are in this world. When they don't want help, they don't even think that you are living in this world. So sometimes, guys, I don't understand why people are doing that, because tomorrow you need that help, and when you don't need help, you don't call that person or to ask how are you. So sometimes, guys, don't feel bad about those people. You have to help them because, guys, are people, and you have to know that when they call you, they need your help. They don't care about you. They care about what they want from you only.